Hello everyone, welcome back to Crazy Nails. So, in today's video, I will be reviewing and swatching Rosalind gel polishes. This is a beautiful collection of summer colors which I am damn sure you're going to enjoy. First one is PX002, which is a beautiful milky white color. It's not too white or too, like this nail wheel, but a perfect shade which would definitely enhance your nail art. Or if you want to go for basic white color, basic white classic nails, I think this would be perfect. Another one is PX026. If you are into lilac colors or soft pastely purple shades, this is definitely work for you. And recently the lilac color or pastel purple shades are quite in trend, and I think this is going to be perfect for your nails. Look at the shine. These nail polishes are quite pigmented, so one coat gives you the color, but yes, being gel nail polishes, I think you need two coats of it. The next one is PX023. This is a lovely sky blue, pastel, powder blue, whatever you want to call it. It's a beautiful powder blue shade. I'm definitely going to use it for some nail art designs. What I love about this nail polish brand is that the nail polish settles in an even layer without leaving abrupt, unevenness. So another one is a pastel orange shade, PX014. This one glows in UV light or blue light, so if you are going for a neon party next time, this is going to be your favorite one. I really love candy pastely kind colors. These are my summer favorites, and I'm sure they are going to be your favorites as well. The next one is a beautiful PX019. This is a lovely pastel green mint kind of shade. It's so subtle, so elegant. You can use this one for a beautiful base for a nice floral kind of design. Have little roses all over it. The next one is PX004, which is a lovely pink color, a pastel pink. So this entire collection has several pastel shades along with a few of pop shades or everyday shades. This is a set of 10 nail polishes, and you can get it from Rosalind website, rosalind.com. I will mention the details of the website and a discount code for you in the description, so I'm sure you can include this one for your summer nails. So the next is this lovely yellow color. See, I told you it has a few of pop shades as well. So this one is one from that. This one is also, it glows under black light or UV light. So a great neon shade. This is PX009. It is kinda a nude shade. with red undertones. So if you want to go for those classic French nails, or a classic simple everyday manicure, this can be your color. Add some pearls to it and a French tip, and you have your manicure. The next one is Rosalind PX030, which is a grey color. I will also be posting a few nail art designs using these nail polishes on my Instagram channel and my Facebook channel. So if you want to have a look at them, you can visit the links given in the description. This one is Rosalind neon orange color. It is super jazzy, super candy shade, which it just makes your nails pop. This one is also a neon shade, so it glows, and it looks amazing on the nails. So these were the 10 nail polishes that I got from Rosalind, and it's a mix of pastel shades and a few neon shades and a few everyday shades. So I hope you loved the review. You can see how shiny they are, how beautiful they are, and they do not require a lot time under the UV light. So just keep them there for about 120 seconds, and you have your regular gel polish manicure. These are easy to use, and you don't need a lot of time or a lot of efforts to get these. The lasting is pretty well too. If you are into home manicures using gel nail polishes, these are your go-to favorite. This entire set is a must for your summer nails. Go and get them. Thank you for watching. Bye.